Pranam, Namaskaram. Hello everyone. Today I will talk about a mudra which I would say everybody almost would like to use it. The mudra is called as Akasha Mudra and it is very beneficial in replacing your negative thoughts to a positive ones. We all want to think positive, we all want to stay optimistic, but for some or the other reason we are not able to do that even when we are willing to do that. So Akasha Mudra is something that does this job for you. It helps to create positive vibes and positive energy and change the thought pattern from negative to positive. It's a very beautiful mudra, and Akasha, as you know, is a limitless dimension. There is no limit to Akasha. So this is very, very effective, valuable. In fact, even in the trial phase, in a day or two, in fact, immediately you will realize the change when you perform this mudra. So Akasha Mudra should be done basically from 10 to 45 minutes. The best timings to do Akasha Mudra is from 2 a.m. to 6 p.m. 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. and or else 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. This mudra should not be done after meal immediately or while you're walking. You should sit still, and then the mudra is such, you have to gently touch the middle finger and keep the other fingers straight. If you have heard me in my previous videos, I have said most of the mudras there should be pressure on the points, like a Jnana Mudra for example. But in Akasha Mudra, we do not give too much of pressure. It's a very gentle touch which we will have in the middle finger. So let me show you how the hands would be placed while doing the Akasha Mudra on the thighs. So these are our palms. I'm sitting in Sukha Asana. You can sit in whatever asana you are comfortable with. In fact, you can also sit on chair. Very gently touch the tip of the middle finger. Rest of the fingers will stay straight. And while you are in this mudra, close your eyes and focus on your inhalation, exhalation, inhalation, exhalation, inhalation, exhalation. I hope you understood the demo of the way we hold the Akasha Mudra. It is also called as a mudra for enlightenment because it brings so much of positivity in you and experiences. It's good in having a stronger density of bones. It helps in absorption of calcium well. Like people say that okay, the milk can make your bones stronger to the kids, but they need vitamin D for better for better absorption of the calcium in the bones and also sunlight. Similarly, Akasha Mudra helps that to do. It also here helps your hearing aids. It also helps your eyes. Okay, so it has various other benefits. But the basic benefit is about boosting your confidence and replacing the negative thoughts with the positive ones. I hope you will do this mudra and enjoy the benefits of it. Always remember, do the mudra, any mudra you want to do for any specific achievement you want to do it twice a day. At least try to complete 40 to 45 minutes or 30 to 45 minutes in a day for that mudra for around 90 days period to see the result, and it will be there. Thank you.